Today, I'm going to go over Stag Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. This is for a viewer named Volka who's in this trade. I'm going to show you the RSI and the MACD in just a moment, but first let's get to the numbers. The stock ended the day at $40.51. It is up 0.35%. The 52-week low, $33. The 52-week high, $48. Volume is higher than normal with 865,000 shares traded. We typically see 797,000 shares traded. The market cap, $7.3 billion. It pays a dividend yield of 3.62%. Taking a look at the performance for the week, it is down nearly 1%. For the month, it is up nearly 5%. And for the year, it is up 21%. If you want to do a deep dive into the company and check out the financials, click on this tab. You can take a look at the overview, the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow, and the stats. Taking a look at the technicals, it is considered neutral right now. Under the analyst rating, it is considered a buy. And if you click on this tab right here, this is the news tab, and you will see that there has been some insider selling. The director sold 25,000 shares for $996,000. Sometimes they'll give you some information and sometimes you won't get anything, and it's better to do just a Google search on the company that you are interested in. Now let's take a look at the chart. We are right here and again ended at $40.51. On tipranks.com, the average analyst forecast is $46, the low side $43, the high $50. On Wall Street Zen, the average is $46.75, the low side $46, and the high of $48. Let's just round up and say you purchase this stock at $40 and $41 and it goes to $43. That is a return of 4.88%. If it goes to the next level, that is a return of 12%. And the next one, that is a return of 17%. And if the stock goes to $50, that is a return of 21%. We are not guaranteed it will go to that level, or it could take a very long time to do so. Now, Volka purchased the stock at around $46.57, so that lines up right here. And at $46, if the stock goes to $58, your return is roughly 2.86%. And if it goes to the next level, that is a return of 7%. Now, obviously, if you bought down here, you would be making more money, but I wouldn't panic. According to tipranks.com and Wall Street Zen, this stock is going to go higher. You just might have to be in this trade a little longer. So hopefully it will go back to at least that 50 level. And because I use the linear chart, the next prediction would be along this line as well. That is a target. This is a target when it was down here. This is 2 standard deviations, this is 3 standard deviations, and this is 4 standard deviations. If a stock is going to continue to grow and do well for the shareholders, hopefully that will continue to go up. This chart will continue to make a new leg up. So don't fear just yet, because right now, you are still upside down, but there is some hope there. We'll keep our fingers crossed. Now, take a look at this. Back when this stock was down here, this is a level of support. When a stock hits support, typically it starts to go back up, as you can see. This is a level of support down here as well, and it started to run up. Of course, it goes up and down, up and down. It psychs you out. You want to get out because you're frustrated or you're losing money. And then the next thing you know, if you had held on to the stock, it tends to rip. So just keep that in mind as well. And when a stock hits resistance, which is this level here, notice that the stock also starts to go down. When a stock hits resistance, people start taking their profits and they start running. So what happens? It starts to go down, then hits this level right here, started to go down as well. This is money, this is more money, and this is the jackpot. So this stock hit that jackpot back in December-ish, January, December of, let me make this a little bigger here. December of 21, 22, and then it started to slide down. Now let's take a look at the RSI. If I can get my little tab to work. It is starting to go down on the weekly time frame, and right now we are at 46, and the MACD has not crossed over to the upside, but it looks like it might do that very soon. So we will keep our eyes on that. Let's take a look at the stock on the daily time frame. And we are here, and this is a level of support here and here. This is -2 standard deviations, this is -3 standard deviations, and this is -4 standard deviations. So we are at this line. So the next target up will be about $45.26, and to the downside we are talking about $37. So those are some target levels that we are looking at. And let's take a look at the RSI on the daily time frame. So that's good. That is starting to go up. We are not oversold and we are not overbought either. This is the zone where people start to take their profits. Notice back here, this is the area that it hit 70, and let's go up. And that is when we hit resistance right here. So that makes sense. What goes up typically goes down. What goes down does not always go back up. So just note that it hit resistance and it started to fall. This is the median or the middle where price tends to fluctuate. If price is up here at resistance, this is considered support. If price is down here, this is considered the middle and resistance, okay? So keep that in mind as well. Let's take a look at this on the 3-minute time frame if you are day trading the stock or if you're looking for entry and exit points. We are at the upper channel here, and we wicked right here, but we ended up right at $40.51. To the upside, the next target would be roughly $40.74. And to the downside, we are looking at roughly $40.20. Let me enable VWAP. We are at the upper channel of VWAP, and VWAP is at $40.46, and to the downside is $40.36. And the RSI hooking down, the MACD, let's take a look at that. It has not crossed over to the upside, but it looks like it may do that. Hard to tell right here. So you want to check all the different time frames as well, because the different time frames gives you different buy and sell signals. If I'm playing on the weekly, I always check the daily and the monthly. If I'm playing on the daily, I always look at the 4-hour and the weekly, etc., etc. But I always check them all out anyway, because I like to do that. But hopefully, Volca, that this stock will rebound. I know you're probably very frustrated if you bought it at that level, but I do think long term it will get back up to these levels at 50. So if there is a stock that you would like me to check out, please comment below. And to see my other stock picks, check out my other videos. And thank you so much for watching.